On to case number 3. All right, all right. Cross your fingers, cross your fingers. All right, looks like it's gonna be a lot more of the same. Yep. Oh my goodness gracious, I cannot believe it. It's another Batmobile. Oh, just joking, guys. I'm not announcing this time because it looks like it's going to be the same type of thing over and over again. That's okay. But that's okay. I'm happy. I got a super treasure hunt out of this. Oh yeah. Yep. There won't be a super in this one, but we got another regular treasure hunt. Pretty awesome. Okay, first layer is done. Move on to the second layer. Hey, look, I'm Batmobile. Didn't expect that. I'm joking, of course. Oh, sorry. Did you see him? Okay. Love Corvettes. Oh no, there's no way. No way. No freaking way. It's like, what do they call this? A unicorn case? No way. Another super. A super and a regular treasure hunt in the same case. This is awesome. Oh my goodness gracious, this is so awesome. Okay. Hey, guess what? A super and a regular treasure hunt. Hey, guess what? Super and a regular treasure hunt. Okay, I'll stop. I know I'm annoying as can be. I'm sorry. It is so... Breathe, dummy, breathe. Okay. More of the same. Cars. I know. I have to calm down. I still really like that Lincoln. That thing is pretty slick. But it's not as cool as that. Oh, sorry. I know you guys are going to start commenting how annoying I am. You have every right to. Just digging fast now. Just digging. We already pulled the cool stuff. I mean, some of these are cool. Like, you know, the Batmobile. That's cool, right? Dude, I mean, look at this. How cool are just these 3 castings right here? You pull them out of the box, a 55 Nomad, a Volvo Drift Wagon, and a Mighty K. I mean, dude, love it. I just love it. Last 3. All right. So again, let's get these all put away, and we'll get on to our last case. I'm not expecting anything great. I was not even expecting to find another one of these. Another one of these. Dude, look at that. Just, can you see it? Can you see it really good? I mean, look at that paint job. Okay, I'm stopping. I'm sorry. Okay.